Most people spend their lives trading their time for money, but the wealthy do the exact opposite. They build systems that pay them while they sleep. If you've ever felt like your bank account is stuck, or you're retired of the 9-to-5 grind, 2026 is the year everything changes. Today, I'm going to show you 5 practical passive income streams that can help you build a $1,000 per month portfolio. And the best part is, some of these require exactly $0 to start. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about smart financial engineering. Point 1. The AI content machine. The first stream is what I call the AI content machine. In 2026, you don't need to be a writer or a designer to create high-value assets. By using AI tools, you can create niche-specific newsletters, ebooks, or digital guides, and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Amazon. The strategy is simple. Find a problem people are desperate to solve, like how to save on taxes or AI prompt engineering, and use AI to help you research and draft the solution. Once the asset is created, it stays online forever, generating sales while you focus on your next project. Point 2. Digital real estate REITs and dividends. Most people think you need hundreds of thousands of dollars to invest in real estate, but that's an old way of thinking. With digital real estate, specifically REITs, and dividend-paying stocks, you can start with as little as $10. By investing in real estate investment trusts, you are essentially becoming a landlord of shopping malls, hospitals, and apartment complexes without ever picking up a hammer. Every month or quarter, these companies legally must distribute their profits to you as dividends. It's the ultimate lazy way to build a monthly income stream. Point 3. The ghost business. Third on the list is the ghost business, also known as faceless content creation. You don't need to be a celebrity or even show your face to earn massive affiliate commissions. By creating theme pages on Instagram or YouTube that focus on specific products like tech gadgets or home office setups, you can direct traffic to affiliate links. When someone buys through your link, you get a cut, because you aren't the face of the brand. This business is highly scalable and can eventually be run by a virtual assistant, making it 100% passive. Point 4. The skill-to-scale model. If you have a skill, whether it's coding, cooking, or even organizing a closet, you have a gold mine. The skill-to-scale model involves turning your expertise into a digital course or a membership site. In 2026, people are moving away from traditional degrees and towards specific, actionable knowledge. You record your process once, upload it to a platform like Teachable or Udemy, and sell it to thousands of people worldwide. This turns your one-time effort into a recurring revenue stream that grows as your reputation does. Point 5. Automated arbitrage drop servicing. Finally, we have automated arbitrage or drop servicing. This is the modern version of a middleman business. You find clients who need high-ticket services like SEO, video editing, or web development, and then you outsource the work to specialized freelancers for a lower price. By using automation tools to handle the client communication and project management, you keep the profit margin without doing the technical work yourself. As you build a reliable team of freelancers, your role becomes purely managerial, and the income becomes increasingly passive. The action plan and conclusion. The secret to reaching that $1,000 a month goal isn't trying to do all 5 of these at once. It's about choosing one, mastering it, and staying consistent for at least 90 days. Most people fail because they quit too soon. Financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found these strategies helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because in my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your first dividend portfolio step by step. Start today, and your future self will thank you.